Hey guys, um, it's been raining and thundering a lot lately. Um, Today's another one of those days. I don't know if you can see anything. Uh, there you go. We even got one on vlog. Let's see how that hits. It's it's not happy at all. uh, but anyways, I guess I'll just hope that this doesn't knock out power and and that doesn't hit the house. It usually doesn't hit the house, but anyways, um, because I guess me and my friends have been playing this little game called Battle for Westnoth, which is actually a pretty cool game. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the crazy storm. Apparently we had a hail earlier too, so this doesn't make any sense. Why would you have hail in July?